Hello, welcome to family. My name is Tiana.
My name is Julia.
And today we'll be making macaroons for Mother's Day. So our mom can have a coffee. The ingredients you will need are 4 egg whites, 2/4 equals half cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of salt, and half cup of powdered sugar. And for the Nutella and the peanut butter, they're for filling for the macarons. Let's get started. I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of salt, 2/4 cup or half a cup of granulated sugar, we're gonna mix it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, it will look like this, and now we're gonna add another 2 minutes. This is what it looks like after 2 minutes, and now we're gonna add 1 more minute because it doesn't look right yet. It's total 6 minutes, and this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna add the almond flour and the powdered sugar. And we're just gonna mix it all up. And then it goes into this bowl to make sure there's any chunks. The reason why we're doing the drain is because there might be chunks like this. You can just throw it away or you can put it on your cereal for tomorrow. You just add a little bit at a time, like a quarter of the batch, and mix it inside the egg whites and the salt, sugar, and vanilla. Now we're going to put 3 drops of red food coloring for Mother's Day. And now you have to mix in the food coloring. Now we're done mixing, make sure you don't mix too much. Now we're putting in the red. You have to tie it so that the batter won't leak out and spill. It doesn't stick to your hand. You have to bake it at 280 degrees and for 17 to 20 minutes. It depends on how hot your oven is. This is what the macarons look like after 10 minutes. This is the finished product. We already ate some to try some. Yeah. So this is how we're doing the filling. We're putting peanut butter and Nutella. And this is what it looks like. And this is what the Nutella looks like. Now Sienna is doing the Nutella. What it looks like, and then you can put the top on the top. This is for our mom, and I'm gonna go get her. I have my mom close her eyes. And you can sit down.
Can I open my eyes?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Wow.
I'm recording. I'm in Julia.
With peanut
butter. And I don't want to tell her. I also have one.
Good job, girl.
Thank you.
When did I make this?
Like,
3 hours ago?
I don't pay attention to time.
You have to keep stopping because you keep coming out.
I'm not eating it because I like it with ice cream better.
Make one for yourself.
Okay.
So this is the macaron with ice cream that I made. And Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my twin. Mwah. Mwah.
Oh, you're so sticky.